Want to import and export emails in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, go to the email section on your dashboard. Click on the arrow button next to the email account you want to manage. This will take you to the overview page. Scroll down to find the email accounts section and click on the Hostinger webmail hyperlink. A new tab will open, displaying your inbox. To export emails, click on the select icon, choose all, then click on the more triple dot icon at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Download and choose inboxformat.zip. Your emails will be downloaded as inbox.zip. To import emails, follow the same steps, but select Import instead. Click Browse, choose your email.zip file, and hit Import. That's how you can import and export emails in Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.